Is your Northeast commercial kitchen risking fire and non-compliance? Learn about TR19 standards and grease cleaning. Today at Quidos Cleaning Services, we're exploring the critical world of commercial kitchen extraction cleaning. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about safety, compliance, and peace of mind. TR19 standards are the benchmark for kitchen extraction cleaning. Adhering to these standards is not just a best practice, it's crucial for safety and compliance. Our team ensures your kitchen meets these rigorous standards every time. Did you know that grease buildup in extraction systems is a leading cause of kitchen fires? Regular, thorough cleaning is essential to prevent this risk. We dive deep into those hard-to-reach areas, removing every trace of grease. Ignoring grease cleaning in your extraction system can have serious insurance implications. Many policies require adherence to safety standards, including regular cleaning. We help keep your kitchen insured and protected. Using advanced techniques and thorough processes, we meticulously clean your extraction systems, ensuring they're free of hazardous grease and compliant with all safety standards. In the bustling environment of a commercial kitchen, safety and compliance should never take a back seat. With Quidos Cleaning Services, you're choosing a partner who understands the importance of these factors and delivers results that go beyond cleanliness. Keep your commercial kitchen safe, compliant, and insured. Contact Quidos Cleaning Services for the best kitchen extraction cleaning that meets TR19 standards in the Northeast. Call us today for a free, no-obligation quote and ensure your kitchen is a safe, fire risk-free zone. Your business deserves the best protection.